How to rejoin Messenger group after leaving. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rejoin Messenger group after leaving. So here with that, let me tell you the quick truth that is once you leave a Messenger group, you cannot rejoin by yourself. And with that, you must be added back by someone or you must join via the invitation link. And once with that, let's move forward to the methods. So here let's start with the method 1, that is to ask a member to add you back, which is the fastest method. So here you can simply contact any group member's admin, and to do that simply open the Messenger app and simply go to the group chat which you want to join, and from there what you can do is just tap on the group name at the top, and there you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply see the chat members, and there you can simply select a search for the admin and ask them to join you by sending them the chat. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to rejoin using the group invitation link if available. So here you need to ask a member admin to open the group and tap on the group name, and from there you can simply tell them to tap on add, or you can tell them to simply search for the invite link option, and there you can just tell them to tap on it and share the link with you. And there, once you open the link, then you can simply tap on join group, and it will work only if invitation link is enabled and group hasn't reached the member limit. And that's it. That's how you can rejoin Messenger group after leaving. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.